did they think that was okay to even put it in the game?
Guys, on the Robinhood Chain, you may want to check out this green candle that's happening here. This is HANSOME and is on the Robinhood Chain with 1 billion in supply, and buys are starting to roll in. If you don't know about HANSOME, they do have a website and they also have an X page that you can follow here as well. And they have a buy contest that's happening right now. They got a buy contest happening. So the buy contest is hot and loaded. Okay, you got a green candle and they've got some utility in here that I was doing some research that I'm actually pretty impressed. My name is Shelton. I'm the captain. This is what we're doing of the review of HANSOME. Now it's on the Robinhood Chain, and if you want to know more about the information, check out the tokenomics. You see it right there, 0 buy taxes 0, sell taxes 0, and liquidity is locked until July of 2027. But when I look at more about this, I'm seeing the buys, but I'm also seeing the utility here. Check this out. They have a 3-day shield. A 3-day shield here that is whole investment here. They even got the directions here. HANSOME managed to present the limited day 3-day shield trial parchment. Okay, read this carefully. First 5 policies up to 50% of the protected purchase amount. That means you can get involved today with this whole entire process. More information is right on their website. You definitely need to have Ethereum, you know, to be involved in this, but it's definitely really good. Also, they have a HANSOME scan. And HANSOME scan. So if you go here, paste in a Robinhood, I'm going to put a token address. I'm putting a token address. They're actually going to here and going to give it a score here. Here's the token address. Look at this. All the information, the overview, supply and burn, liquidity. Check out the scan here. I'm not going to spend any much time on it. But also what I like about this is as well is the fact they got the buy contest. It's undervalued. People already posting memes about this already. And get involved in something like this. This is actually pretty good. They got a scan. And look at this, guys. They got a game. A game is also on there. They have a game. When I click on game, I'm going right to it. A game for a Memecoin? Listen, guys, check out HANSOME today. You got the chart that's rocking. You got games on the website. You got scanned. You got 3-day shield, buy contest, memes everywhere. And you got tons of engagement on their actually X page. Check it out. It's right on the Robinhood Chain. And I know you like green candles. And according to this green candle, potential for the next leg. My name is Shelton. I'm the captain. Check out HANSOME.